So guys, Instagram has released a new platform whose name is Instants, and in today's video we will know how you can use Instants app, what are the benefits of this app, and we will also know what exactly is Instants app. So first of all, let us know what is Instants app. Basically, Instant app is a new social media platform of Instagram whose aim is to share raw and real stories with your friends. And for this, we are getting to see the overall interface of Instant platform is quite simple. And there, the user does not get any creative filters or editing tools. And this platform also has features like custom disappearing, which makes it unique. So let us know how you can use it. So guys, you can access Instagram Instants app in two ways. First is the official application which you can use from Play Store or App Store, and second is through Instagram inbox. And as soon as the feature comes to your inbox, the instant tab will be shown to you on the right side bottom. You can explore this platform by tapping on it. First of all, you have to log in with your Instagram account, and as soon as you log in, then a new interface will open where all the stories posted by your friends will be shown to you, and you can see them all by swiping, and if you want you can also react through emojis. Now let us know how you can post your story in Instant app. For this you have to tap on the option on the top right side, and as soon as you tap, the camera will be open for you to click a picture. As you take it, then tap on the post option. There you can choose whether you want to add it to your close friend or for all Instagram friends. As soon as you post it, it will be posted, and you can then check who has seen your instant story and what reaction they have given. If I tell you from my personal experience, then overall I found this feature interesting, but I think there was no need for a dedicated platform for this feature because it does not feel like a separate social media platform. And guys, if you have any questions, please comment and like our video and subscribe to our channel.